Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add a custom keyboard shortcut that leads to any app, file or website of your choice. The process is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is have a shortcut on your desktop that leads to the desired target. For example, let's say you'd like to create a shortcut for Visual Studio Code. If the app shortcut isn't already on your desktop, you'll have to create it yourself. Right-click on your desktop, click New, Shortcut. In this box, you'll have to type the location of the item or click Browse to look through your files and find it. If you don't know where the app files are located, press the Windows key or click on the Windows logo, go to All Apps, locate the app, so in my case it's Visual Studio Code, so it's all the way down here. Right-click it, go to More, Open File Location, right-click the app, go to Copy as Path, and that's it. So now that you have copied the path, go back to the shortcut, press Ctrl V to paste it, and click Next. Name it however you'd like, so Visual Studio Code is fine. Click Finish, and that's it. Now you've got the shortcut. So now that it's created, let's create the keyboard hotkey that will lead to it. Right-click the shortcut, go to Properties, make sure you're in the Shortcut tab, and click Shortcut Key. Now just press the combination of keys you want the shortcut to be. In this case I chose to press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-C and click OK, and that's it. Now if I press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-C, Visual Studio Code will open. This process is true for both apps and local files. For websites, it's even simpler. When you create the shortcut, just type in the website address. So in my case, it's www.voxel-web.fr. Click Next. Name it however you'd like. So let's name it Voxel. Press Enter, and that's it. Now go to Properties, as we did before. Go to Shortcut Key, and press the keys you want the shortcut to be. And that's it. Now, if I press the keys, my website opens. If you found this video useful, leave a like and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.